Hi guys, you ain't gonna believe this one. Anyway, I got down to this part here, the top step of the model, and I've already done that. And this is where I got to, putting the PE on. I cut the PE. As you can see, I bent it to turn those tabs up, and those tabs are those holes. Where am I? So tiny, I don't want to destroy anything. We're supposed to go into focus, motherfucker. Come on. We're supposed to go into tabs where you see brass tubing. There were tabs there, but they're too short, and they wouldn't reach into the holes in this little guy. And I can't bend it any, so I must have assembled this one too tight so they wouldn't go into those holes. So I said the only solution I've got is to take a piece of brass tubing that fits over those tabs, which I made sure this one did, and then cut off tiny slivers with my box cutter with a new blade, and now it's not a new blade, so that it fits between those tabs now, those holes now, and I can super glue all that together. I just thought I'd share that with you, what I'm going through on this fucking model so far. And this is nothing but the winch. Lord help me. Later. Here's an update for you. I've been fighting this thing for 30 minutes. And I think I've finally got it glued on. I think you can see the little brass rod spacers I put in there. They're like A4 modeling or that guy. That's what I feel like I was doing. And somehow I got those slivers cut off eventually. And I think I got it all super glued together. And I hope it looks like that. You know, that's what I'm going for. And apparently this part goes up in the front in the next step on the chassis, turned upside down like this. So we'll see how that goes. It's an adventure. I even had to get the big guns out tonight and the brass tubing. But at least I came up with a solution so that I could glue that part on. Otherwise, that part wasn't going to get glued on. If I did, it wasn't going to stay. So there you go. Thanks. Be sure to like and subscribe, or don't like and don't subscribe if you don't want to. And leave a nasty comment below. Take care.